Hi, this is Nick at DuraLabel. Today we're going to show you how to update to the new version of LabelForge PRO on your PC. You want to make sure that you're connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or connected to your network via Ethernet. We're going to go over to the home page, and then you'll see that you have a notification icon up at the top right corner. You're going to click on that, and you'll see that the new version of LabelForge PRO 3.2 is available. You're going to click on Install Update, and then you're going to see that you will restart and update LabelForge PRO after. When you get this prompt screen, make sure to install. Your computer is going to restart after the install is complete. Once you complete installing the new version of LabelForge PRO on your PC and restarting your computer, please open the program back up. Welcome to LabelForge PRO version 3.2. In this new version of LabelForge PRO, you'll see that we have a clean and modern look to LabelForge PRO's home screen now. We also have updated the LabelForge PRO logo. You have all the same features and modules from previous versions, but we have added a bunch of new updates to this version of LabelForge PRO that you can find on our knowledge base at kb.duralabel.com. It has tons of step-by-step tutorials and how-to videos. Please reach out to our support team if you need help installing or updating to the new version of LabelForge PRO. This is how you update LabelForge PRO on your DuraLabel Print System. First, you're going to want to make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi, so go to Settings, Networking, and make sure that you're either connected through the internet via Ethernet or wirelessly on Wi-Fi. Next, we'll go to Utilities, Updater, and you'll see that there is a new version available for 3.2. Make sure to install that update. After your update is finished, please restart your DuraLabel print system. Welcome to the new homepage of LabelForge PRO 3.2. Stay tuned on more information of new features and how-to videos. This is how to update your DuraLabel print system offline via USB. Make sure to take your flash drive that the DuraLabel Support Team has sent you and plug it into the USB drive of the DuraLabel print system. You're going to go to Utilities. You'll head over to Updater. You'll see that you have the 3.2 available. You'll hit Install Updates. Once your update is finished, please restart your DuraLabel print system. Welcome to the new version of LabelForge PRO 3.2. This is the new home screen for your LabelForge PRO dashboard. A quick disclaimer, please contact your DuraLabel support team so our support representatives can send you a USB flash drive if you are working offline with your DuraLabel print systems. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.